Have you ever dreamed of a vacation in paradise? Picture the Maldives, an archipelago of pristine islands nestled in the turquoise embrace of the Indian Ocean. Each island, a world unto itself, houses a unique resort, promising unparalleled privacy and a retreat from the mundane. Consider the allure of these islands, their white sandy beaches kissed by crystal-clear waters teeming with vibrant marine life. The Maldives is a destination that is enchanting year-round, boasting a tropical climate that is as welcoming as the locals. However, the peak season, spanning from December to April, is a spectacle to behold as the islands bask in the perfect harmony of sun, sea, and sky. The Maldives is not just a destination, it's a dream, woven into the fabric of the ocean, a paradise that captures the essence of tranquility and the spirit of holiday bliss. Imagine soaking up the sun on your private island resort, the gentle waves of the Indian Ocean lapping at your feet. So you've decided to turn your dream into reality, but where do you start? Well, the first step towards your sun-soaked Maldivian adventure lies in the art of packing. Remember, the Maldives is all about embracing the beach life, so think light, breezy summer clothes. Cottons and linens will be your best friends under the tropical sun. And speaking of the sun, it's essential to protect your skin from its intense rays. Pack plenty of sunscreen, especially if you plan on indulging in water activities. The reflection of sunlight off the water can intensify UV radiation, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's not forget about capturing those picture-perfect moments. The Maldives is nothing short of a paradise, and you'll want to preserve every bit of its beauty. So bringing a camera is a must. If you can, an underwater camera would be a fantastic addition to your gear. Imagine the vibrant underwater scenes you can capture while snorkeling or diving. Next, let's talk about getting there. Flying to the Maldives is relatively straightforward, with numerous airlines servicing the Malé International Airport. But remember, your journey doesn't end with the flight. The Maldives is an archipelago of 26 atolls, and each resort is on its own island. This means you'll need to plan your transportation to your resort island in advance. Options include speedboats, seaplanes, or a combination of local flights and boats, depending on the distance from Malé. Opting for a seaplane journey can be a bit pricier, but the panoramic views of the atolls from above are truly worth every penny. With your suitcase packed, your camera ready, and your transportation planned, you're all set for your journey to paradise. Just remember to prepare for the journey as much as the destination, because in the Maldives, getting there is half the fun. As your plane descends, you catch your first glimpse of the Maldives from the air, a string of pearl-like islands set in the azure sea. A breathtaking panorama of turquoise lagoons and emerald islands nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean. The Maldives is a spectacle that leaves you spellbound. As the plane lands, the excitement builds. Your dream vacation is just a seaplane ride away. The Maldives is a unique destination where each resort is an island unto itself, a private paradise just for you. The journey to your resort is an adventure in itself. As you board the seaplane, you're not just traveling but embarking on an unforgettable experience. As the seaplane lifts off, you're treated to a bird's-eye view of the archipelago, a sight that is as awe-inspiring as it is beautiful. The atolls appear as a constellation of gems strewn across the sea, each a world of its own, waiting to be explored. The seaplane journey, in itself, is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Imagine soaring above the Indian Ocean, watching as islands, each more beautiful than the last, pass beneath you. It's a sight that is as captivating as it is serene. And as you descend towards your island resort, the world seems to slow down, the azure waters welcoming you to your own slice of paradise. Each resort in the Maldives is a unique experience. From the luxury of Dusit Thani to the tropical charm of Angsana Ihuru, and the vibrant life of Kurumba, there's an island for every taste. Each resort has its own character, its own allure. Whether you're looking for romance, adventure, or relaxation, you'll find it here in these islands that seem to have been crafted by the gods themselves. As the seaplane lands and you step onto the dock of your resort island, you're greeted by the warm smiles of the staff, the soft whisper of the waves, and the gentle rustle of palm fronds in the breeze. The air is filled with the scent of the sea and the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers. You take a moment to soak it all in, the beauty, the tranquility, the sense of being in a place unlike any other. As you step off the seaplane onto your resort island, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and excitement. This is it. You're here. Welcome to the Maldives. Your dream vacation awaits. Now that you're here, what can you expect from your Maldivian vacation? Welcome to the Maldives, where every day is a tropical symphony of sun-kissed sands, turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs. This isn't just a vacation, it's a chance to immerse yourself in the rhythm of paradise. As the sun rises, you'll be greeted with a kaleidoscope of colors that paint the ocean surface. The Maldives is a treasure trove of marine life, and exploring the underwater world is an adventure you won't want to miss. Snorkel alongside the playful dolphins, dive into the clear depths with the majestic manta rays, or simply watch the vibrant schools of fish from the comfort of your overwater villa. But the Maldivian experience isn't just about the sea, it's also about the sand. The beaches here are more than just picturesque. They're a sanctuary where you can unwind and soak in the sun. Feel the warmth of the golden sands beneath your feet, listen to the soothing whispers of the coconut palms, and let the rhythmic waves wash your worries away. Now let's talk about food. The Maldivian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Seafood is a staple here, freshly caught and cooked to perfection. Savor the taste of Maldivian curry, indulge in the sweetness of tropical fruits, or try the traditional breakfast dish of mashuni. And if you have a taste for international cuisine, fear not. The resorts offer a plethora of dining options from Italian to Japanese, ensuring that every meal is a culinary journey. Speaking of resorts, each one in the Maldives offers a unique experience. Dusit Thani, for instance, combines Thai hospitality with Maldivian luxury, offering villas that float on clear lagoons or hide amidst lush vegetation. Angsana Ihuru, on the other hand, is an eco-friendly haven, renowned for its vibrant house reef and commitment to conservation. And then there's Kurumba, the very first Maldivian resort, where tradition meets luxury, offering a unique glimpse into the island's rich history. From the moment you wake up to the sound of the waves to the time you retire under the starlit sky, each day in the Maldives is a slice of paradise. So, are you ready to experience the vacation of a lifetime? Imagine the pure, unadulterated bliss of the Maldives. Picture the meticulous planning that goes into creating your perfect getaway. From choosing the ideal resort on its very own island, to selecting the most convenient transport method, every detail is tailored to your needs. Think about the moment of arrival, stepping off the plane and being greeted by the warm, tropical air, a vast expanse of turquoise water, and the promise of unforgettable adventures. Visualize the Maldivian experience, a harmonious blend of tranquility and exhilaration. From the serene moments of basking under the sun on the pristine white sandy beaches, to the thrilling water activities that take you into the heart of the Indian Ocean's vibrant marine life. The Maldives is more than just a destination, it's a paradise on earth. It's a place where dreams come true, where the mundane slips away, and where every moment is a celebration of life. The beauty, the culture, the cuisine, the people, the experiences, they all come together to create a vacation that is truly out of this world. Don't just dream about paradise, experience it. Start planning your dream vacation to the Maldives today. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the Maldives. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you could hit that like button. It helps us know what content you enjoy and helps others discover these beautiful destinations. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, destination highlights, and essential travel tips. We'd love to hear from you too. Share your dream vacation destination in the comments below. Is it the Maldives or somewhere else? Let's dream together. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dream vacation is just a click away.